Hey friends, I hope you are doing great. And today we're going to talk about the 47th question of Project Euler. And let me say that clearly at first that my answer is if you are looking for the best answer, so don't continue this video because I know I can be more thoughtful about the logics, but for now I just came up with came up with a logic that gives the answer. That's it, nothing much. So let's continue. Let's understand it with an example. Let's say I is 200 and value of c that is 2 initially, so that's it. And as I am giving zeros in all the blocks, so this is our array. We have 4 zeros in it, and let's see what happens. If I is divided by c, that is 200 divided by 2, yes, it is divided, it can be divided, evenly divided actually. And then we need to check if c is a prime number or not, 2 is a prime number or not. And I wrote a prime, to check a prime number I wrote a function here simply. So 2 is a prime number, yes, 2 is a prime number. Then it comes here, check and store. So check and store is here, that's our check and store function. It is going to check the first first block, is it equal to I, that means is it equal to I. So here I is actually the c, okay, because we are sending the c from here. Sorry for these complications, like I should have made it more clear or something else, but for now just bear with me. Like, we have c here and this I is actually the c. So we're checking, like, the first element is equal to 2. No, it is not true. And the first element is 0. Yes. Then store the factor and return, that means this 2 become 0 becomes 2 now, and return to our calling position here. That so I becomes now 100 because it is now divided by 2. So that is 100 and c becomes 1. Okay. So after that, this if will not, this else will not work, and this if close, and this for loop. So it comes here, that means c plus plus. So c is 2 now, and it will again start from 2. And obviously it is less than square root of I, square root of 100. So again it will check, can 100 be divided by 2, is 2 a prime number, and check and store. 2 already exists, so nothing will be changed. And again 200 will be divided by 2, that will be 50, and it will again become 1. Then again it will say c plus plus, so it will be 2. And it will again divide 50 by 2, same thing will happen, nothing will change in the array. And this will become 5, it will again become 1, then it will become 2. And after that it will check 50, if 25 divided by 2, that's not true. 55 divided by 3, 4, 5. Then after all it is divided by 5. Yes, it is divided by 5, so it will be divided by 5. And c, then we will, by then c will become 5, and it will check, it will call check and store function. Then it will check, is it 5? No. Is it 0? No. Is it 5? No. Is it 0? Yes. Then store 5 as it says here. Okay, store 5 and return here. So it will be divided by 5, that means the remainder is 5, the answer is 5, and it will be 1. then it will become 2 again because of the C plus plus. Sorry. So now it will check 5 is divided by 2, no. Then C plus plus 3, 3 is not less than square root of 5, so forget it. So after this for loop we need to check the rest of the thing left in I, that is 5. In that case it already have 5, but in other cases this will be another factor of I of that first number, that is 200. We are taking example as 200, so it will be another it may be another distinct factor of 200. So in that case 5 already exists, so it will not change anything, nothing will change in that array, but we need to check the remaining thing in I. So it will of course be prime number, that's why we are not checking it is it a prime number or not. It will be of course a prime number, so we are just checking and storing it, and then we will check the third means the fourth block is 0 or not. The fourth block is 0 or not. If the fourth block is 0, that means we got 1, 2 or 3 factors, but we need 4 factors, so simply return false because we don't have 4 factors. The fourth one is 0, and if fourth one is not 0, that means we have any prime factor there in the fourth position. That means we have 4 distinct prime factors, so that means we need to return true, that this number can be one of our answers, that one of our 4 answers. So that's how it works, and that's it. And in this for loop we are generating the numbers, that is I, and every time we are calling this thing happens, this all logic runs, and if that comes true then count plus plus. And because of this if, we are checking the 4 numbers are consecutive or not. If it is consecutive, then print the answer by subtracting 3 from it, because we need the first of these 4 numbers. So subtract 3 from the 4th number and forcefully stop the program. So that's all, nothing more left here. See you next time.